Hey, Dan with Monmouth Millwork here. Today we're talking about European style windows or tilt turn windows. Now, what's a tilt turn window? A tilt turn window is a window that will kind of look like a casement window that would crank out, but rather than cranking out, it's going to swing in, and then you would also have the option to have it tilt in. So it can vent at the top or it can swing in left or right. Really a great option if you are into performance, saving some money depending on the features and the materials that you choose, and kind of looking at a really secure, solid product. A tilt turn is a great option and definitely something to think about and consider. Just because you're not in Europe doesn't mean you can't have a European window, right? So there's a ton of different options. We specifically work with Bertrand Windows. Now, they're manufactured in Poland and they make amazing products, and having a manufacturer that stands behind their product combined with a local representation of that product is really important. They do it right, and they do windows the way they should be made, and they use that European craftsmanship and put that together to have a really great partnership, and we're proud to work with them. They're really a great company to work with. So with that being said, materials, that's where you want to start with a tilt turn window. What do you want that made of? Are you looking for a traditional type of window that's going to be all wood or a aluminum clad wood? Or are you looking for something very sleek, very modern, as minimal as you can get with the tilt turn window, maybe something like an all aluminum product? Or are you trying to save some money, get great performance, and get something that is still extremely high quality and looks really good, something like a PVC product? Again, there's a wide range of opportunity. There's a significant breadth of products when it comes to Bertrand and Monmouth Millwork regarding tilt turns. So there's quite a bit to explore. So materials would be first and foremost. If you were to think about cost and kind of where does that come into play on material, well, PVC is going to be the most cost effective typically. From there, you're going to go to an aluminum product. And then from there, you'd be at the aluminum clad or the all wood product as far as hierarchy of price point. Now, not everyone wants a wood interior. Sometimes folks want it to just be clean and done. And PVC versus aluminum could be a great option for you. So material matters. Performance, PVC products are going to be of substantial performance because of their multi-chambered frame technology. With that, there is some pretty substantial thermal breaks on the aluminum products, and then the wood products, wood is a natural insulator, right? So wood is a natural insulator. Look at how beefy that is. That is a solid window there to choose from. Next, we're going to get into installation. Now, installation, most European windows do not install with a nailing fin. Now, what's a nailing fin? A nailing fin is going to be this component right here. You see this little fin on the edge of the window. The American market typically installs with the nailing fin. The European market typically installs through the jamb or through the frame. Now, what's the difference? It's just a different application. Both can be sealed, both can be finished. But one of the real benefits to working with a company like Bertrand and Monmouth Millwork is we can coordinate what is best for your installation application. And a lot of the American installers really prefer the idea of a nailing fin install because they're used to that. They're comfortable with that. A lot of times, people always gravitate towards what they know, and if they're familiar with a certain window brand or certain window type, with a nailing fin, for example, they're going to gravitate towards that. If they get a tilt turn window and that guy's never put in a tilt turn window before and there's no nailing fin, he might be a little gun shy on it. But don't be afraid of a tilt turn window. It's a great option, and you can have that American standard nailing fin install with a company like Bertrand, no problem. And we can guide you through best install practices as well here at Monmouth Millwork. Hinges are going to be something that matters when it comes to tilt turns. Now, they're swinging in or tilting in, so the hinges are going to be on the inside. But what's cool is you have two options. This is going to be your visible hinge on a tilt turn. Now, they're pretty tight together because this is just a corner sample. The others are going to be spread out, but you're going to have these visible hinges typically on a tilt turn window. But Bertrand does this great option where they will do a concealed hinge, which I show on here. Where'd the hinge go? You don't see it because it's concealed, right? So if you don't like the idea of the hinge and you just want to have a wood window or an all aluminum window or PVC window without that visible hinge, that is something that's available to you, and that's something we can discuss when it comes down to design. And speaking of design, you can see the wide range that we have here. Again, circling back to the different materials, you have very different looks with different materials. Right in front of me, the all wood, very different looks, but they're still all aluminum clad and wood. You can see this is pretty modern here, a very flat surface. This one's got quite a bit of curve to it, so much more traditional look with the ovalo here on that. And then this one here, that beveled edge and square interior, almost like a shaker style look. So on wood, you can go from a pretty modern look to a very traditional look or something in between easily. There's a lot of opportunity to play. If you go all wood, you can get into shapes, you can get into custom casings. There's quite a bit to explore. When you get into the PVC, we have a lot of opportunity with color and design on that. The concealed hinge versus the visible hinge, nailing fin versus no nailing fin, and you have all of this structural integrity included in there. All these structure points. This is what sets a company like Bertrand apart. A lot of companies will purchase extrusions from a manufacturer, they assemble them together and they're done. A company like Bertrand, they're putting all this rigidity in there, and on top of that, you have all these multi-chambered frames, really a high quality product. But when you think about colors, design options, there's quite a bit to choose from. This is the BB82 line. It's NFRC rated, so in the US, not a problem at all on an install. It's really a high quality product that's gonna last and give you a lot of opportunity compared to the aluminums out there, which aluminums are great too, but the aluminum's gonna cost a little more. So if you're trying to save some money, but you still want a tilt turn, you still want a high quality product, BB82 might be a great option for you. With that being said, you can move over and see here, we have aluminum options, right? So we have, again, very narrow square sight lines versus something that looks like a classic steel window here. Really a great option. When you look at the divided lights on there, just those profiles, this is a gorgeous window, really a beautiful product. And when you look at the performance of that, just look at the thermal brakes that are included in there, as well as the weather stripping that's in place. Really a solid, high quality window, triple pane glass. It's really something to admire. So we have that, right? So in looking at the different materials, whatever look you may want to go for, whatever aesthetic matters to you, if you want the warmth of wood, or if you want to just have the cleanliness of a PVC product with a specific color, or the architectural details that are encapsulated with an all aluminum product, there's probably something here for you, is what I'm getting at. So we talk about opportunity and we talk about ways to play. And a lot of that has to do with, we just talked about different materials and we talked about some of the different profiles, but what about colors, right? We touched on color a hair, but if you're going with the aluminum clad wood or an all wood, there's just an example of some of the wood interiors that are available by Bertrand, really substantial. So if you want a stain, a factory stain is gonna be something that will be difficult to mimic in the field compared to what can be done at a factory. So interior options as far as stain goes, that's available. Paints, you name it. They have the RAL paint code. If we provide them with an RAL paint code, I mean, you just have like, sky's the limit on finishes on what would be available. And then there's also wraps that are available. So say you wanted something that was a window that you wanted like an anodized aluminum look, but you don't want anodized aluminum these days. It doesn't perform as well as the paints that are out there. Well, they'll do a wrap on that that is an anodized finish. And you could just see some of them there. Like, of course, there's anodized black or anodized aluminum, but when you look at a color like this simulated bronze anodized color. Like, isn't that gorgeous? It's just beautiful. If you were to imagine something like that on something like this, that's an amazing window that is just going to have people look at your windows and go, where'd you get that window? Like, when's the last time you heard someone say that? You know, they'll say that with this. So metallic finishes that look like anodized aluminum, actual metallic finishes that have like a texture to them, and they're quite in a range of colors there. There's something anyone could find that they would like in there. Standard color options that are available. Now these are also available in matte finish, so that's a great option as well. A lot of folks want to get away from that window paint on aluminum finish on the outside, and a matte finish is a great option. Or say you want wood, but you don't want the maintenance of wood. There are wraps that look like wood. So from the street, you say, I want a window that looks mahogany on the outside. Well, we can find a window that looks like mahogany on the outside. You know, really a lot of opportunity to personalize this project. And if you're going to something like a tilt turn window, it's going to kind of show off that house. You know, it's going to really have it be a statement. So why not incorporate some of these finer details that are included as part of that statement? So when it comes down to their products, it's not just about tilt turns. There's other complementary products that we can work with Bertrand on, whether it's interior doors or entry doors. There's a lot of opportunity to play and ensure that you have a design that is congruent and seamless across the product line. So say you wanted one like this, right? You wanted this window here and you were going for something pretty modern. We have this beautiful door here with the aluminum skin, the fiberglass core on there, weather stripping in there, the thermal break and concealed hinge on it that we can see here. So beautiful concealed hinge on there, very narrow, very sleek, really just a gorgeous modern option for this door that's available to you to make sure that everything across the board kind of works and flows. It's important. When you incorporate different materials across the board on a project, those things are going to look different over time. They're going to react differently over time. And we want to make sure that when someone gets a project completed with Monmouth Millwork and with Bertrand, that at the end they look at it, they stand back and they say, we nailed it, we got it. That's the goal here. So complementary products are available. It's not just tilt turn windows. Entry doors are available, interior doors are available, and we can work with you to ensure that you get the exact look that you're going for. Lastly, we're going to touch on some of the advantages to tilt turn windows and some of the things you might want to consider and talk about as an American consumer on a European window. So advantages, performance. They outperform pretty much most windows on the market, and part of that has to do with Bertrand's 9-point locking mechanism on their windows. On top of the 9-point locking mechanism, weather stripping that's used, the thermal brakes that are used, the multi-chamber technology that's used in conjunction with triple pane glass, it is tough to compete with them as an American manufacturer with their performance values. So a big advantage on performance, like 10 out of 10 when it comes to performance. Details, options, there's a lot of opportunity with all the different product lines in their family of brand to find the exact design that you're looking for. So big thumbs up on tilt turn windows and specifically Bertrand with Monmouth Millwork on that. Cost, when you get into it, the BB82 line can be really a showstopper. If you have a full house project, that's something to kind of consider. If you have a full house project, this is something definitely to consider if you want, or aluminum. There's a lot of aluminum options that are still pretty cost effective, a little bit of an upgrade, but you're looking at definitely quite a bit of longevity of life when you're talking an all aluminum product. When you get into the all wood or aluminum clad, these are definitely premium options. Again, not to shy away from them, but it's just something to consider the market and the budget that you're in. That's important. So advantages, cost, you could save a lot of money sometimes on their project, depending on what it is. It all depends on what we're specifically doing with you. Having said that, there's ways that we can value engineer projects to get you a certain look and then save you a couple bucks for sure to meet whatever budget you may have, as long as it's reasonable, you know? Not to say a disadvantage, but just something to consider as an American consumer, as something that's kind of not a new window by any means, but a newer window to the American consumer. As an American consumer, it's something that maybe you're not going to think about, but that's why you work with a company like us. When you have a tilt-turn window, it's going to swing into the room. So not something that we're really used to. We're used to windows that lift up and down. We're used to windows that crank out. We're used to windows that slide over. We're not necessarily used to windows that are going to swing into the room. So how deep are the walls? How much does that really matter for your application if it's swinging in? Additionally, it's going to tilt in, which offers an amazing feature that you can have ventilation throughout your house just by having those tilt in slightly. So because it swings in and tilts in, you need to think about window treatments. How are window treatments going to work with that window? And are there going to be window treatments? Are they important to you? Are they an inside mount, an outside mount? How is that going to work for your application to ultimately determine, is that the right option for you? Last and probably most obvious when it comes to tilt-turn windows is going to be the thickness of a tilt-turn window. Now, the thickness of a tilt-turn window, because of the way it's made, it's a little chunkier than your average window, but typically folks are doing large size windows, so it kind of gets absorbed in that, and it's also the way you trim it. Now you can see here, the edge of frame to edge of glass, it's substantial on that, right? And part of that is because it swings in. So that is something to consider. But when you think about on the outside, they can stucco finish, they can do whatever they're gonna do, trim the outside. They can kind of cover up quite a bit on the outside. And on the inside, if you're doing a concealed hinge or you're doing the hinge that's on the outside, you could trim it, you know, pretty darn tight there to accommodate all that. So you're not seeing this full jam here. You're not necessarily seeing all that. And there's ways to trim it out and finish it that it doesn't appear as thick as one would see on a corner sample. Now, the opposite of that, right? I'm gonna set this here, is something like this guy here, the slim one. Now, again, you can see the edge of the frame to the visible glass. That's like an American casement window or even more narrow than that. So there are extremes of that, from something that's pretty chunky to something that is pretty sleek and narrow that's gonna get you that look that you're going for, a slimline look. So you don't always have to say, oh, tilt-turn windows are really chunky, tilt-turn windows are really thick. I'm looking for a modern, narrow design. There's opportunity for a narrow design. There's also opportunity to significantly grow the size of your windows and doors with that European standard. So when it comes to tilt-turn windows, think about it, weigh it, contact us, let us know kind of what you think or what you're considering or what questions you may have. Like, we are more than happy to pay it forward with answering questions and assisting and guiding you through to determine whether a Bertrand tilt-turn window is the right option for you. I think it's definitely something to consider in this market when you balance performance, price, and options. They can be a win if you're open to a window that's a little bit different than what we typically see here in the US. If you need help with your project, contact us, info@monmouthmillwork.com. We'd love to help you. We'd love to assist you with getting started. Let's talk soon.